everyone, this video it will demonstrate the solution to Lab 1. A couple of details about my environment. I am on Mac OS and I'm using VS Code. You can use any standard C++ compiler you want, and in fact as we go through the semester or the term, I will use a variety of different environments to code in just to help you all see different environments to code in. So I'm going to just type out a Hello World program. Again, your requirement was to simply demonstrate that you have installed, set up your environment. So first thing I need to do is provide that preprocessor directive to IOStream. The next thing I need to do for my Hello World program is to define a main function. As you saw in your reading, every C++ program requires exactly one main function because that's where the processing starts. Then I'm going to scope std to my cout object, which is going to allow me to push a string, in this case, to standard output device. Now, I know this is a string because it has double quotes around my hello world. And as you also saw in your reading, every C++ statement must end with a semicolon. So if I compile and run that guy, I can take a look in my console window and I can see that Hello World was printed to the screen. Now you may have seen this demonstrated another way with using a namespace. So I'm going to modify the code I'm writing now to use a namespace to std there. And when I do that, I don't have to scope cout directly to IOStream. Now, compile and run that guy. And we will take a look, and it ran successfully. As you know, you're not only required to provide the source file, you're also required to provide a screenshot when you turn these in. So the first thing I want to do is take a look and make sure everybody knows what your source file is. Your source file is the file that ends with CPP. You had to name it that in order to get your environment to run correctly. And I can see here on the tab, I named my file helloworld.cpp. So this file right there is the one that you should turn in. When I grade your programs, I download them all, I compile, run, and test them. So obviously I have to have that source file. The second file that you're supposed to turn in is a screenshot demonstrating a successful or unsuccessful run. And again, I'm on a Mac, so to get that screenshot, I'm just hitting Command Shift and then 4. And then I am dragging across that output area. And of course, that's going to produce my screenshot for me. Now, something to keep in mind, I'll just put this over here. I can't accept a screenshot of just the source code because of course I can't compile it. And a screenshot of your source code doesn't demonstrate that your program ran on your computer. Now let me tell you how I use these screenshots. As I'm going through and doing the grading, if I compile and run your program or compile and then get a bunch of compile errors, I jump over to the screenshot that you've provided and I take a look and then I try and emulate the environment where you were able to get this program up and running. So it's critical that you do submit that screenshot and demonstrate either a successful run or compile errors. Demonstrating the compile errors, that's just a way that allows me to give you partial credit for what you turn in. I hope this helps. See you all online.